finally happening. We are packing everything that we owned for the last few years and moving it to our new home.
Hi everyone, I'm packing.
We have made a packing list and we are gonna cross off each item as we go. Let's get started.
So we can pack as much as we want, but we're living in a one-bedroom condo and we're going to pile the boxes behind the couch. Packing never ends.
We're getting stuff done though. I think so.
Okay, seal the box.
Excuse me. I don't think we've started yet.
You haven't started yet? Why do I feel tired?
Yeah.
Oh no. The packing crew is only me, a very pregnant wife, and a little toddler.
I'm pretty sure I won't be able to help out in the lifting, but I can help out in writing down, listing things, and organizing everything.
How about you? What's your contribution?
I mean bus.
Okay.
And the bus.
Right, we got the bus over here,
And the director.
and the director,
And that.
the helper, the
The
labor
slave.
worker.
Okay, are you ready to write down? Okay.
It is actually pretty hard to believe that we're actually moving out of this condo. We've been through a lot in this condo over the last 5.5 years. When we first moved in, we were so excited of getting this. It was only Max and I. We didn't have Skylar before. And also we went through COVID times, and then Skylar was born and grew up to the toddler that she is today. And over the last couple of years, if you guys have been following our channel, you probably have seen that the toys and the baby stuff have taken over all of the spaces here. And as much as we love seeing them, I think it's fair to say that we probably need more space. So we've moved before and we have a little bit of an idea on how to pack for the move. But to get us started, we have created a packing list, and what we're thinking is that we're just gonna start packing and crossing off things in that list and hope for the best that we are gonna get to the very end before the moving day. Who's ready to pack?
Me.
Balik.
Okay, seal the box.
I think we have a problem. There's just too many clothes. I did not realize just until now that I have so many jackets. Where did this all come from? Also, I have to pack everything in this small box. I'm not actually sure when this happened, but there seems to be a tiny human being that started hanging her jackets on my rack. Skylar, I think these are yours.
Jimmy, go ahead, put in the box. You just need to remove the hanger first. We'll be moving during springtime, so winter season is totally over, and I think it's time to pack and hide these winter jackets. So we can pack as much as we want, but we're living in a one-bedroom condo and we don't have a lot of space. So we're figuring out where to pile these boxes, and we're thinking we're going to move the couch a little bit closer, and we're going to pile the boxes behind the couch.
So I remember that the first few years of us living in this condo, this was kind of our saving grace. We got a bed from IKEA that folds up and you can use the bottom part as a storage. It feels just like yesterday that we were just building this bed and now we have to dismantle it for the move. You doing okay?
I'm 7 months right now, and packing has been a little bit challenging because of this belly.
Now this one I haven't seen in a very long time.
Me too.
Wow, very good. Mom, are we bringing all of those?
Yep, this is a big box for my bags. Right, Sky?
How did this collection start? What's this gem that you just discovered?
So I found my daily journal back in 2018, and I saw this day. It's all of it is empty, and then I saw this date, July 25. We created our YouTube channel and had 10 subscribers, and we celebrated by eating sushi outside.
That is gold.
First 10.
We were so happy back then, even with the simplest things. It's crazy to see this almost empty now. I think the last time that we had a chance to clean this under the bed was during the day that we built it. I had one side goal today. Whenever we do clean under the bed, I want to see if we can find our lost remotes. Because, I don't know, I think we've lost about 2 remotes so far over the 5 years. And so far, they haven't turned up. I'm still hoping.
Mom.
Okay, I think it's safe to say that we have packed our bedroom. It's crazy that it has taken us this long to pack everything in our bedroom. Although I must say that we didn't pack everything yet because we still are going to be here for a few more days in this condo, so we're still going to be needing some clothes. So we left a little bit behind, but I think mostly we've covered. And you guys could see that the condo is slowly getting filled up with boxes. Whew. On to the next room.
So since we're done with the bedroom, we are now heading and packing the kitchen.
So what do you think we're gonna discover here? I feel like there's a few things, right?
Yes, and this kitchen brings a lot of memories, like Skylar eating her first solid foods.
Oh my god.
And now she's drinking milk in a cup. Are you going to help out today?
Yeah. Milk.
Also, this kitchen has been doubling as our workstation as well. Whenever we do want to build some furniture, we always do it in this open space because we don't really have a lot of options around here. This is what we really love about this space in the beginning, is that they maximize the space to put a lot of storage areas within the kitchen. It's also the downside as well, because sometimes we can't reach to the very far end. So discovering the things that we put there for a very long time. Skylar!
Someone is having fun with the ladder over here. I also remember during COVID times, we sort of did a panic buying and tried to fill up all the cupboards with necessities like toilet papers, food, snacks, and everything. Baby, what are you doing over there?
For the record, these diaper boxes don't really belong to us. It was just something that we picked up from Facebook Market for free. If we knew that we'd be moving and packing all of this stuff, we would have saved Skylar's big boxes of diapers.
And these boxes are very sturdy and handy.
Can't have too many baby wipes to this one. I think someone at some point was craving some takoyaki.
I wanted to make some takoyaki.
Was this from Temu? Are you keeping this one?
Maybe. I remember that I stocked up a lot of baby stuff in this cupboard. Baby bottles, baby bibs that we haven't used. And below here are Skylar's cups, which I think we're going to bring to the other house. We're just going to buy new bottles for the new baby because these ones are girly. They're color pink.
You guys can see that the mess is starting to pile up. You got boxes over here, more boxes over there.
The packing never ends.
We're getting stuff done though. I think so.
Little by little. But they're just all piling up in here.
So in terms of luggages versus boxes for packing, we just opted to pack with boxes because we don't really have a lot of luggages here with us. I think I've mentioned before that we have an external storage that we've rented and most of our luggages are over there, so it's external to the building. So it's kind of hard to get those from the storage because it's also full of stuff. We only have, I think, about 1 or 2 luggages here that we could use, and I think those are mostly going to be for some clothes. But most of these stuff, we've managed to pack them with boxes.
I still have Skylar's tiny baby shoes, but we're packing them away because I have no time to declutter it now and maybe find some time in the new house. Where's your baby shoes?
More.
So small. Now you're big.
So progress update, we've done the bedroom, we've done the kitchen, we just need to do 2 more rooms, which I think is the bathroom and the living room, which is pretty much what you see, filled with boxes. Well, I think I now truly believe that the saying goes, you never know how much stuff you have until you move, because I don't know where all of these came from.
We've gotten older because we've never drank a lot of vitamins before. Now we have like way too many.
The big vitamin containers from Costco. We've even done a declutter lately, right? Of all the things that we've taken home from the hotels. But yeah, these has to go. So this is one of the more favorite things that I like staring at whenever I'm home. It's a small map recording our past adventures and future adventures that we wanted to do. I think we also bought this one from a souvenir store in Kelowna, but I think you can also get it online. If I find it, I'm gonna put a link down in the description below. It's just nice to document all of the travels that we've done.
What is that doing?
Packing. packing.
Why is that packing?
Huh?
Why? Where are we going?
New house.
Is Skylar going to the new house?
Yeah.
And then the big day arrived. Family and friends gathered to help, and one by one, we carried the boxes and furniture out to the moving truck. We wondered how Skylar would feel seeing people take things away from the only home she's ever known. But she surprised us.
Moving day.
Today is moving day.
Yeah.
Did you pack all of your toys?
Yeah.
Are you excited to move?
Yeah.
Did you say goodbye to the house?
Bye.
She adapted quickly and is already excited for the new adventure.
Where is Skylar moving?
New house.
New house?
If anything, the move feels more bittersweet for us. This home has been ours for longer than it has been for hers. But every chapter has to end for a new one to begin.
Are you done?
Not yet. I think we're just halfway done.